Hi guys, it's Kathy from Kathy's Jewelry and Crafts. Today I'm coming on with a very short tutorial on how to make some dot earrings. All this week I've been making dot paintings and they've come out really cute. Here's one. It kind of looks similar because I use the same color scheme. Here's another one, and then here's one with a different color. And all you do is place dots on the canvas, and then you take this squeegee and you scroll down. You have one chance to get it right. All right, so I'm going to try that same technique with a pair of earrings. As you can see, I have my paints already down, and instead of using the squeegee, I'm going to use this little pick, this little dental pick. And so I'm just going to put some little dots on these earrings in different spots. As long as I put the same ones in the same spots on the other pair, we'll be fine. All right. I think these are just going to be purple and blue. So I'm going to put some color here. Here. It don't matter if you get a line or if they're just dots. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this pair. Kind of making a mess, but that's okay. And look like I have more blue than pinks. I mean purple, so I'm going to add a little more purple. Be right there, right there, right there, right there. All right. Now we have our designs. Oops. And so then I'm going to take just a little credit card, since these are small, and I'm going to hold the top where the circle is, and I'm just going to scrape down. And look at our design. Now I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to wipe between each time I do it, and I'm going to do it on this pair. I'll hold it and scrape down, and that's their pair. And now we have a pair of earrings. Aren't they cute? Can you imagine the possibilities? And I'll do the other side too off camera. I just want to show you. It's a cute way to make some wooden earrings using paints and dots. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.